Hello viewers, many people are actually waiting for Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE and S10 FE Plus. Actually, they have many questions in their mind when this tablet will be launched and what will be the price for 128GB version and for the 256GB version. This time, Samsung S10 FE and S10 FE Plus will be sold at a higher price tag because Samsung will increase the price of these two tablets, so you may expect around 43,000 rupees for the 128GB of S10 FE, and if you want to buy the 256GB version with 12GB of RAM, in that case the price will be around 50,000 rupees. Similarly, if you want to buy Tab S10 FE Plus, in that case the base price for the 128GB version will be around 56,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the 256GB version with 12GB RAM, in that case the price will be around 65,000 rupees. However, after this pricing you will get discounts on various credit cards and also there will be launch offers. And if you want to know about the date on which it will be launched, you may expect around May 25 when these tablets will be launched in India as well as in global market. Many students actually want to buy FE series because of its affordability and they can afford the price, but I don't think if you buy any tablet that is S10 FE at a price point of 43,000 rupees, in that case many students will not buy this tablet, rather they will go with another tablet or they will go with iPad. So I think Samsung should launch these two tablets under a very competitive price point. Otherwise, people will end up buying iPad instead of buying Samsung Galaxy tablets. However, these are the initial speculations about the pricing and availability of these two tablets. I will let you know whenever there will be leaks and rumors about these two tablets. So I would request you to stay connected with this channel so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.